Yeah.
Let that sink in, let that be gospel now, all right? You're just gonna kind of be on ice here. All right, this is a U sub, by the way. U would be 6 pi t, but I hope we understand now that the U is just gonna end up being a pi, or a 6 over pi out front. So 6 over pi, the antiderivative of cosine is sine of pi 6 t.
Well, I must have done something, whatever it was.
Now
I
notice
wrote down
here,
sine pi over 60.
you did a beautiful U sub, you may have done it in your head, and this is the kind of U sub you should do in your head. Now please notice this. This 2 is not part of that 0 and 4, and it doesn't appear that way because he's not in parentheses. The way this is written, he is the only guy that gets 0 and 4. If I had one of the 2 gobbled up in there, I would have put it. So please be careful with your parentheses versus not parentheses. All right, here we go. Negative 2 plus, let's leave you out here, 6 over pi. All right, stick in 4, that's 2/3. Sine of 2 pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Stick in 0, we get 0. All right, this is going to cancel and give us a 3, that's a 1, so I'm going to get negative 2 plus 3 root of 3 over pi, which is a perfectly fine answer to stop with. You try to do anything else, get a common denominator of pi, fine, but you might make a careless mistake, so just quit there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that are feeling super cocky on it, and I got a few points on this, and then you squeeze out, what, 8, 10 points on it, I hope it's a shock to your system that the quests are completely different than doing it for realsies. Completely different. There's that time, even if you're good, even if you practice doing the quest for 15 minutes, there's just something about that time crunch, right?
It like puts your,
And doing 6 of them at one time, boy. You
It's-
gotta learn to let go, because sometimes I find myself, I'll be on like question 3 and I'll be thinking, oh wait, did I do one right? You gotta let it go. Let it go, then move on, do another one.
It's that time of like you know there you have like 10 minutes left, but you feel like
or I know
you're
that we
already
didn't get
It's
one,
just
and then I go to get the other
you
one.
feel
I'm
like
just
you're already at
oh,
the
that
15-minute
feels
time
right.
and you're done.
Okay, so what we're going to do for the next
Alright.
few days, no, right. This is no time for us to be sitting on our laurels, so I have another exam,
Oh god.
No.
which we're just gonna do as a group, and y'all kind of work together and just see how far you get. And this is what we'll do until we finish, so I'm expecting it to take maybe 2 or 3 days, all right? So we'll just sit and we'll do a couple of problems. You don't even have to work in order, but whenever you get done with it, great. Okay, so let's go ahead, we still got half an hour or so, go ahead and use your time. Not sure what year this is from, it's a compilation actually, it's got a few things thrown in here, but it is just like the one y'all did. So grab yourself one, I will be here to answer questions, but try and use each other. Let's get Graham woken up here, you good? Good. Alright, so, do what you can with this, don't write in it, get yourself, thank you, yeah. Get yourself lots and lots of scratch paper.